Download has failed, so I've got a fix for that. So what you do is you find something, and then you go to Layer, send backwards so you can't see it, then Share, then Download. And we're almost there. And it asks me where I want to put it. So I'm going to save it to my downloads. I will give you the reason why it will not download. The reason why it won't download is because it notices a similar file name. So when you put something behind whatever element you've added onto the download, it will. So that's the workaround. For some reason, it just downloads. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There's more Canva tips at the end.